Hello everyone, Rabia Ashfaque here, your business coach from the team of Lubna Wakar and Power Eagles, leading by Binish Abubakar. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? In a world where staying ahead is crucial, our exclusive training program offers the edge you need. But here's the catch. Limited slots are available. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our advanced trainings. Imagine the fear of missing out as others secure their spots while you hesitate. Don't let that happen to you. Act now and unlock access to cutting-edge strategies and techniques designed to propel you forward in your professional journey. Invest in your future success with our premium training program. We understand that quality comes at a price, but the price reflects the immense value you'll receive. Our program is carefully crafted to ensure you're equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to thrive in today's competitive business landscape. So, what are you waiting for? Message me and secure your spot in the Power Eagles 2cc level now before it's too late. Take this opportunity to transform your business and career. Say yes to growth and advancement. Join our team of driven individuals who are ready to seize every opportunity that comes their way. Remember, limited slots are available, so don't delay. Step up and take your skills to the next level. Together, let's soar to new heights of success. Message me now and let's get started.